Hi, boys and girls. It's May 25th. It's Monday. We have a Zoom meeting at 6 p.m. Benin time. Let's talk about what's going to happen today on Monday, May 25th. 6-year-olds, you have some phonics pages to work on, quite a few. It will be a great review for you. And you also have some math skinny book work to do. For 7-year-olds, A to Z, 2 tests, then 3 pages of grammar and some handwriting. For multiplication, you have a video to watch. Then you're going to play a dice game with multiplication, and you are going to also have math worksheets. So hopefully you will have a great day of learning today. And boys and girls, I look forward to seeing you a little bit later today at Zoom. If you're a 7-year-old, please bring one of your last paragraphs that you wrote about. There were 2 different paragraphs that I've had you, so bring one of them that you would like to share. And we'll have a great Monday at Zoom. Take care. Bye-bye.